Hi guys, and welcome to my room tour. I look like a mess. Today I'm gonna show you my room. So yeah, let's get started. Let's start with my vanity. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys where I got my things from. So the mirror, I got it from Target. It was originally $100, then it dropped to $50, which I was like, hell yeah. So yeah, it's a little bit expensive, but it's really worth it. I love this mirror. Can you see that? Ooh, like, it's perfect to do my makeup in. I do my makeup here all the time because I used to do it in that mirror, like on the floor, but now I have this. This is meant to be like a vanity desk type of situation, but I rarely use this to do my homework because this chair sucks and I don't want to like be all jorobada, you know, and do my homework. So I try not to do my homework there, but there on the wall, you know, like straight and have a nice posture. And yeah, let's go through all this stuff. So I have a little scrunchie here because I love scrunchies. Have my friends here because I do have friends, believe it or not. I have Karina, Alexia, you know, Vanessa, my friends. I have Mark, dang, fire. Yeah, I have them here, and I got this from Marshalls. If you're gonna buy frames, go to Marshalls. I bought this frame on Marshalls and it's so pretty. I'm planning to like buy another one and put like little real dead real like dead flowers inside to make it more aesthetically pleasing and cute or whatever, you know. I have this little thingy on a Polaroid, and you know, it's just a little special someone there, you know. And yeah, so cute. I love this little frame. If it will focus, thank you. It's so cute. It has stars. It goes like this. So I have it there, and it's so cute. This one of my best friends, Vanessa, gave it to me. It's a Huda thingy. Huda is controversial, you know, but I like this thing, and my friend Vanessa gave it to me for my birthday, and I thought it looked really cute there. I have this perfume, the Daisy Marc Jacobs perfume. It's really cute. So right here I have this little cactus. Its name okay, I didn't name it. Oh my gosh, stop moving. I have this thing, my friend Alexia gave it to me. Literally everything here is gifted to me. Like this desk, my aunt gifted it to me. So yeah, the only thing I bought here was these two things and this, but it didn't come with a cactus. It came with the succulent and it died. And this mirror here, my dad likes to grow cactus, so he gifted me this cactus, and I've been growing it, and it used to be like from here, now it's growing a lot, so it means that I make things grow in my life, so that's good. So yeah, I have this here. I rarely even use it, so it's just there for looks, because I mean, I have a mirror, like I can look at myself, but I do use it for lashes and stuff like that. I have these little coloring things that I need to use. This I never used. I never used it. I don't know, I'm not good with like writing stuff. I'm more good with like writing it on the board so I can see it. And I have this Girl Boss book, which I love, recommend it, definitely read it. I have my devotional, and it says, "We love because he first loved us." This is so true, amen. This is the type of brushes that I use. If you want to know what makes my hair look luscious and long, this is what I use. For the desk, I'll make sure to link it in the description down below, but I bought it at IKEA, and the inspiration came from Pinterest. All you see in my room inspiration wise comes from Pinterest, honestly. Like I get ideas from Pinterest and like I base it off of there. That chair, I bought it at Ross. That at Marsh on the way at Ross. I can wash it a lot of times and it won't fall off. There I have my bag, but most of the time I have my beads here, and like, I forgot what you call this, but
it's called an adapter.
It's for the laptop, earphones, and I have chargers here all the time, so most of the time electronic. This is also a gift. My best friend Cassandra gifted it to me for my 22nd birthday, and I decided to put it there. I wanted to buy a pink one, but she came through with this one, which I love. I might buy another one, but who knows, because I really want the pink one, and they sell it at Amazon. I'll link it. I linked the Amazon one. I'm sure she got this one from Target. So the quote, I change the quote sometimes. I'm trying to change it a lot and not change it like at 1 a.m. in the morning, because then I'll mess up all the words. But it says, when you go through deep waters, I will be with you. Isaiah 43. I really love this quote, guys. Read the Bible for you or whatever. So yeah, that's my vanity area. Not that interesting, I know, but yeah, I haven't really taken selfies here. I take stories because the lighting sucks in this room. Legit, like, it sucks. Also, the walls are sterling white. That's the color I paint the walls. If you want to know if you like the color of these walls, they're sterling white. You go to this part, I have like this little place, and I really like putting like little frames on like little spaces of walls. So I have like my calendar, and I have Polaroids of my friends, you know, and myself, because I'm full of myself, and I love talking about myself, and I love looking at myself semi-naked. So yeah, have photos of myself there. So we're still in September. Woohoo, that's some schedule or something. Church on Sundays, hell yeah. And yeah, I have Polaroids on my friends. If it will focus, that would be awesome. I'm sure this clip was out of focus the whole time. My keys always go here, and like other keys of people go here. So the idea of this is that when friends come to my room, is that I take a Polaroid with them, you know, but my Polaroid camera broke, so I don't think this is gonna happen anymore. And this mirror, a lot of people think it's just like a mirror, but if you look there, there's an enchufe. That means there's light or something, you know, and it's obviously not lighting the room. A lot of people that come in my room think that I don't have a closet. We're gonna go to my closet. By the way, I'm showing you guys this because I know you guys are nosy, okay? And I know you guys want to see inside my closet. It's messy and whatever, but like, I know you guys want to see, okay? So that's why I'm showing you. So it's a walk-in closet, pretty decent size. I really love this closet because it really works as storage. I don't have a lot of clothing, as you can see. People like, I don't know why people think I have a lot of clothing. Like, I don't. I really believe in getting rid of what I don't need, and I mostly go to Buffalo Exchange and trade in my clothes and like try to get some money for it, you know. Right here I have some shoes, my gym shoes, all that stuff, clean clothes, the thing that I use to clean my floor because it's wood, I don't know, sticker wood, a tripod, my lighting, bags, backpack, what is it, clean jeans that I put there because I need to buy another one of this because this one is really small and nothing fits in there literally, but I do have some clothing in there. Has a shoe cleaner, my dirty laundry bag. I have some boxes over there with like shoes, with more shoes, but like I didn't want to get them out because why? I like everything semi-organized. I have right here my bathrobe. I literally use those little pins for everything, and I use them to hang my belts, so they're there. My towel that I use for my shower, my makeup, some of my makeup, not all of it, my jewelry. This is, I think, most of my jewelry, and some of it is also there, but I don't really use jewelry there. Right there I have the words for the little sign thingy, a toolbox, so there's tools there, my little snake charmers bag that I use to as a luggage, winter clothing, my MacBook box for, I don't know, when I want to sell it or I want a new one or I want to return it, I don't know. I just have it because they say not to throw them away because it has coating in there. So don't throw away your MacBook boxes or your iPhone boxes. You will need them one day. So I have miscellaneous there, and this is more clothing, like bikinis are in that bag, pajamas are mostly here, and some denim that I use a lot. I have a neck pillow here. I really don't have a lot of like drawers where I can put my stuff, so I just have it in there. I don't know, I don't really have my closet organized. These are all my winter sweaters, denim sweaters, long sleeve stuff, and clothing and stuff like that. Most of the time what you are gonna see here is new clothing that I forget to use. This dress, I had bought it for like 3 months ago and I had never worn it because I forgot I had it. Story of my life, I buy clothing, I forget I have it, never use it, whatever, you know. But yeah, I have my makeup there. That's not all my makeup. I'm really minimalistic. I don't know how you say it, but yeah, I'm minimalistic. I don't like to have a lot of mess, okay? So I get rid of my clothes if I don't use it anymore. I get rid of my makeup if I don't use it anymore. Like literally, like I give makeup away if you want it. So if they're expired, I won't give it away. But like if they're almost expired, I'm like, hey, take it. I'm not using it. Use it for me. I'm gonna just go closer if you guys want to see what I have. These are like my hair products, the hairspray I use sometimes. I use this if you've got eyelash extensions and your lashes look like crap. After use this on your eyes and nothing bad will happen. I'm not blind, or maybe I am blind now, but who will ever know. But I use argan oil on my eyes and on my hair. I use this thing, it's so bomb. My best friend Alexia gifted it to me for my birthday and I had been wanting it for a long time. Have all my little pins that I use for everything, literally for this, for everything. I have them all around the apartment. Like, it's pretty funny. I usually, some of my sunglasses, most of my sunglasses, I have them in the car because I like to have sunglasses in the car for people to wear, because sometimes you want to like post a story and you want to be like cool, so you cover your face and you put some cute sunglasses. So that's why I have most of my sunglasses in my car. It's right here. I have my cameras, my Polaroid. This is a camera. This is a sticky bra that sucks. I didn't like this. My makeup, so I have my makeup packed all the time because I always go back home, so why even unpack it? And yeah, I most of the time take these bags and put it over there. Right here is my makeup and my brushes. And right here, what do I have here? First of all, thumbs up this video if you buy all your room decor on Marshalls, on Ross, TJ Maxx, everything. Please thumbs up this video and let us sister know that that's where it's at. My bed, my actual bed. Okay, so my actual bed looks like this on the bottom, so it has nothing. And I bought it at Amazon. It was $75. Really good bed. If you break it in, it's gonna squeaks. But it squeaks because it's metal, so it's really good. I love it. I like the feel, really mid-century type of vibe. I got my inspiration from Urban Outfitters. They have like a vest similar to this one, but it was really expensive, and I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can see the differences and be like, oh my god, you know. Okay, so my white cover, I bought it at Burlington. It was a hunt to find a bed cover like this. I don't know why they're so hard to find nowadays. Well, I know why. This sheets, I bought it from Walmart. I don't like them, but like they're cute, you know, they're pink, they match the aesthetic. These pillows, I bought them from Marshalls. They were 2 for $26. Literally steal. Go to Marshalls, buy your pillows. Oh, also my bed, like my actual bed, I'm gonna link it down below. My roommate Marco and also friend Marco recommended it to me, and it's bomb. I sleep like an angel. Best purchase ever. Thumbs up this video if you remember when I used to sleep on an air mattress. Thumbs it up please. But yeah, this is my MacBook Pro or whatever. It's not like the newest one, it's like the new 2015 version. I don't know. The model is being covered, so yeah, it's the space gray, or the black is black, I don't know. But yeah, here's my phone, all cute and whatever. And yeah, all my pillows, I bought them from Marshalls. I definitely need more pillows. My lights, I bought them at Target. Just make sure the lights stay warm lighting, you know, not like blue lighting, because then they will look blue. And I like that they look like a little bit warm and jello. This one, I bought it from Target. It was at the baby area. It was $14.99. And most of all my bed sheets, I also buy them at where? On Marshalls. So go to Marshalls. Go to Marshalls, that's where it's at. Also go to Ross, to TJ Maxx, everywhere. Just hunt. It's like a little native, I don't know, like a little thingy. Let me get a better lighting. Let me sit down. This thing, as I said so before, I like putting like decor on small spaces of walls. I really want to put some frames in that wall because I feel like it looks so cute to put like little decorations on small spaces of the walls like this. Like I want to put more things right here. So yeah, I put this, and this little corner is just like the little black corner, you know. I bought this thing, this little fluffy sitting thing that makes a lot of noise at where? At Target. It's going down, so I'm planning to open it and just put like some cotton inside it to make it puffy, or like some pillows that I won't use to make it more puffy. I have this thing from Bath and Body Works to make my room smell really good. I don't remember the smell, but I don't recommend it because it really doesn't smell that good. I have gotten champagne something and it smells really good. This I bought it on Marshall. Sorry, I have a mess. It's the time of the month, so I need pills. Advil, sponsor me. Did I say Marshall's? No. I got it at Ross for so cheap, literally $15, because if you look at it, it's kind of like messed up. It won't focus, but if you look at it, it's kind of messed up from the edges. But I have seen, literally squatting for you guys, I had seen a circle one at Amazon. It was too expensive. It was like $50. They were originally $50, but like, I'm a college student and I'm broke, but I still want my room to look cute, you know? So I hunted this one down, found it. It was $25, but I saw that it was super scratched and chipped, and I asked, oh, can like I get a lower discount? They were like, yeah, $15. There you go. And now I use it as a side table. I kind of want to buy another side table and put that one like in a little corner over there, but yeah, we'll do that later. I have this salt lamp. I love this thing. I feel like it adds a lot of personality to the room. And this one, I bought it from my cousin. She sells like all those cool piedrita things, you know, if you're into that, things, energy rocks and stuff like that. I'll link her Instagram down below so you can buy some of her stuff. I love it. I bought it from her. It lights up, but yeah, it lights up like this. It's so cute, I know, and it adds so much cuteness to the room, like for reals. That's the end of my room tour. I know I'm sweating, like literally it's so hot in here, and plus I have the windows open, so all the heat is coming through me, making me sweat. So what a workout. Sorry I don't look presentable during this video, but I mean, yeah, I don't have no excuse for that. I just look like this. I will make sure I have everything linked down below if I can. Most of the stuff I bought, like I said, so I've got it from Marshall, so I cannot really link it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. I will make sure I link everything down below if I can. If I found some stuff like the pillows and stuff like that, I cannot really link it because I bought it on Marshall's. But yeah, I'll make sure to link some stuff down below. If you want to buy my same bed frame and all that stuff, it's gonna be linked down below. And yeah, hope you got a little inspired and you got some ideas for your room decoration ideas. I feel like my room is really basic because I feel like I need to add more stuff to it. Like, I really want a tapestry there, but I haven't found a tapestry that I want. Really want more frames there, but I haven't like print out something to put there. So yeah, I have some updates. If I add some stuff like in vlogs, I'll update you guys on what I add to my room if I add anything. I really enjoyed this video. I think it was so fun to show you guys my room. I feel like you guys were here with me, seeing my room and all that stuff. Thank you again so much for watching. Please comment down below what's your favorite part about my room. My favorite part about my room is the vanity. I love the mirror and like what I've been adding to it and stuff like that. I just love it. I feel like it's so personalized and it's me, you know, so I really like it. Another advice, Pinterest all your ideas, honey. Pinterest, okay? You'll get some ideas, and after that start hunting for some stuff that you saw in the picture. Like me, I found a picture of the desk on Pinterest and I started hunting and I found it at IKEA right away. So remember, los quiero mucho and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.